So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love.
The cream is good. Let's see. This is her debut. She's pretty. Hello and happy Tuesday. It's been a little busy today. Not so much. I've just been doing just some little things here and there, but I'm going to paint my nails. It's been a while since I did my nails. I use Kiara Sky gel polish and it's okay. Let me pick it up. It does okay. I felt like it never lasted long enough for me, and then I realized that I need to do other things like wear gloves when I wash dishes and stuff like that. So I had been wanting to paint my nails, and I was trying to hold off because I have to wash my daughter's hair tomorrow and I really need to wash mine, but I'm just going to do it anyways. It's okay. So I went ahead and filed my nails earlier. I like the almond shape, so I tried to do that as best as I could. And then this hand right here has 2 nails that aren't long enough, but I just went ahead and filed the others because these will grow in. So I'm not worried about it. So yeah, I'll do this one. So let me get my LED lamp out. It's in this little box. That's what it looks like. I have the, oops, whoopsie daisies. I have the pink one. Cute. Do about 4 fingers. I need to get the gloves, the LED gloves.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone.
So here's my finished nails. I just did the soft pink color and I did just a dot of pink in the middle. So I'm gonna work on the other hand now, but this is how it looks. I don't know, it's okay, but it only lasts a few days anyway, so yeah. All right, so my nails are done. Like I said before, these 2 were shorter and I couldn't really shape them like I did the other. So the other ones are more of an almond shape. And my nails on this hand were almost the same one, so I just wanted to go ahead and do the gel polish I had the pinky, the ring finger, and the thumb's a little short, but yeah, these two are still short. But yeah, I just did a little pink ball on it, like a little gumdrop. I thought it was cute, so nothing fancy, but they are done.
I'm a good catch, but I never let 'em catch me. No, I never let 'em pay me.
Good morning, happy Wednesday. Work is slow, so I appreciate that. I always appreciate slow work. Hopefully it stays like that, but yeah, hoping today is going to be lax. It's a short day of work for me. I get off at 3, so I'm working 9 to 3 today. Then I take my son to speech, and lately we've been having pizza on Wednesday, so maybe we'll do that. But Dad is working, so I don't know if he'll want us to save pizza night for maybe tomorrow when he's home. It's been sitting here for a minute, but here is my beautiful drink, my strawberry matcha latte. Work is still slow. It is 11 a.m. and we're still not doing much. So I'm grateful for that. So because of that, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my new item that I've been patiently waiting to open. So I'm gonna take a few sips of this drink. I'm going to unbox my item. I do have a call scheduled for 12:30, but I already talked to this client on Monday and I feel like we don't really have anything else to talk about. So we'll see. Maybe I can get them to cancel it. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few sips and then open my little thing that I'm excited about. I know it's not a big deal, but I'm excited. So, all right, let's try it. Oh, why does it have to be so good? My hands are cold. So when I made this, I had a little bit of extra strawberry cream. So let me take another sip and then I'll add it. Why does it have to be so good? Okay, so I am happy because I finally received my new phone. Yay! I'm excited. I know it's not a big deal, but I'm very excited. I thought that I would leave Apple, and I originally upgraded to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, and I had it for 9 days, and although it is a cool phone, I'm just too attached to Apple. So sent that back, and now I have my phone. I've had it for a few days, so I'm excited to open it. So let's get it opened. Ooh, pretty, wow. Well, take her out. So I do have a few cases, but I have not received a screen protector just yet, but I just didn't want to wait anymore. It's so beautiful. I'll scoot my keyboard back over here, I guess, to reference how pink it is. It's really pretty. It's more pink in person, like other people have said. It's really, 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 really pretty, and I'm so excited. Anyway, I'll try out my cases first. I'll take this off. I'll just have to clean it quite a bit because I don't have a screen protector yet. So when I ordered this, it didn't say iPhone 15 Plus, it said Pro Max, but they're the same size, and where the camera is, I just did the big square cutout, and yeah, it fits like I thought that it would. So let's see the back. Okay, next case option is here. This one is from AliExpress. It has bunnies and pink flowers. So let's try this one on. All right. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. That's really cute. Oh, okay. So there's that one. And the last case option, let me take this off, is this one. No, wait, I lied. Okay, so this is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. Wait, all of these are from Amazon. I'm tripping. Sorry, I have an AliExpress order coming as well, and it's been delayed. I was trying to wait for it, but that's been delayed. So here's this one as well. This is also from Amazon. So all three are from Amazon. I will link them in the description. So let's try this one. Okay, let's see. Ooh, pretty. Let me know which one you all like the most, especially if you're watching. So I am going to cut this on, get it switched over, and I will be back. Yay, beautiful. Oh wait, no, sorry. One other item. I've never bought these camera lens protectors before. But I've seen other people use them, and they're really pretty, so I wanted to try them. Dang, I was trying not to mess up the box with this tape. Sheesh. Well, does it have to be so complicated? Okay. Oh, this looks like it has quite a few steps. Okay. So, this is what they look like. Of course, they gave me one for the zoom lens, but here they are. So, let's see. So wipe. Let me dry. I don't know why I get so paranoid about this. So it's this part. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Let me show you. That it's definitely pretty. Look at that. Oh, I just got more excited. Okay. Which case goes pretty with the glitter? Tell me. Tell me, guys, which one? Of course, they're both great, but you know, I like sparkle. I'm never gonna grow up. Oh, wait, I hope this fits on there because I feel like it covered it in some way. Let me see. Hold on, let me see. Because it was like blocking it at first. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. Well, it looks to be, it looks fine. It's like it's holding it in place. Okay. Okay, let's turn this baby on.
That's strawberries inside of it. That's raspberry. It says raspberry fruit donut. That means that there's smash of raspberry fruit and they put it inside. Please stand by.
Is it good?
What's one thing you like about Dunkin' Donuts? What's one thing you like about Dunkin' Donuts? Donuts are the best in the world.
They are. Let us see your donut. We love the donuts, Kim. What do you like about Dunkin'?
The ice cream and
I like the tater tots too.
I like the donuts too.
Oh.
I like ice cream, donuts, free.
Because Dunkin' Donuts and Baskin Robbins work together.
Oh.
And they make free only. What they make their own ice cream?
I don't know. Alright, so the other 3 cases came in that I was waiting on from AliExpress. And here they are. So it's this one. I believe it's clear. Let me see, because it doesn't really look like the picture. Is it not clear? Oh, it's a paper. I have to say, oh, that's ugly. Then the next one, let me keep these papers. This one has pink flowers on it, and this one actually came with a pop socket. So let's peek at that. There. So this one came with a cute little pop socket on it. And the last one is a peach one. If you don't know, I love all things peach. And it actually matches perfectly with this little planner I got in Korea. It was literally like $4 with the exchange rate. And it's just a monthly planner. I did order a planner from mybujo.com, a more extensive planner. But I bought this, I couldn't resist, and then I realized how much this matched, so it's cute. So I don't know, this just has a monthly setup, so it may just be a summary or something that I keep in my purse. But earlier today I started decorating the inside because I have like all these cute peach themed washi tapes. So I started to decorate the inside, and I put some flowers and a bee. And then you can see that. I ripped out the pages I didn't need, so it's just looking like that. And then this is literally just the month squares. It doesn't have daily, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I just know that I'm going to use it, but I just thought that it was so cute with this. So, yeah. Happy Friday! Woo! Oh my God, it's been crazy. It's been super busy today. I have been on the phone. It's 1:11. I haven't taken a break yet, but I really want some coffee today, so I am going to prepare my vitamins and have that. And then I'm going to go have some coffee, and then I need to go on my lunch break because I have some meetings later. And of course, I need to get the kids, but happy December. Oh my God, it's December 1st. Wow. The year has truly flown by. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I guess I'm kind of speechless when I think about how the year has flown by. I know, like, week to week and working, I'm always, thinking, oh, I can't wait for this week to end. I'm tired of this. But in actuality, I don't truly feel that way. I don't really want to rush time. I was looking through old pictures and videos on my phone last night, and I was looking at pictures of my kids, and I was like, I just know, hopefully, God forbid, me in maybe 20 years looking back, wishing, oh, I wish I could go back to this moment in time. So I think I did good. One of my resolutions for 2023 was to slow down, to be more present, to make sure I'm spending more present quality time with my family, with my kids, and I think that I did a good job with that, and I want to continue to do more going into 2024. So yeah, I don't know, this kind of took a turn. I don't know, I guess I'm just shocked. 12/1, like, before we know it, it's gonna be Christmas morning. Before we know it, it's gonna be New Year's Eve. I don't know. Okay, cappuccino time. Well, it won't be a real cappuccino. Let me use an espresso words. This will be, I'm gonna do, oh, they have cappuccino, but it's small, so I think I'm gonna do latte macchiato. But first, I'm gonna do gingerbread latte. I have peppermint bark latte, but I don't really want any chocolate right now. I have a Snickers that I want to eat in a little while. So I'm gonna do gingerbread latte. Let me put this baby right here. Okay. It's my cup. I'm gonna go in with the Istanbul espresso, if you can see that. Oh, it's heating up. All right, latte macchiato. A dash of cinnamon on it. It's beautiful. And now I'm gonna get my toast. Now I'm gonna get my toast out of the toaster for my sandwich. I am quite hungry. We got rid of the last of the Thanksgiving leftovers last night. It had already been a week, so it was time. So hopefully, let me taste it. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Oh, that's good. Have a tuna sandwich. I like to have my sandwiches open face because I hate when I bite, well, my tuna sandwiches, I hate when I bite into it and then all my tuna falls out. So, and plus I could put more on there because like I said, I'm actually really hungry. So by the time this comes to room temperature, I will have finished my coffee. And then I'm gonna take some of my kids' snacks. I really want some chips, like some plain Lay's chips. I have some. I usually don't eat them, but I've been craving them because my son was crunching in the car the other day. It sounded so good. So I'm gonna have me some chips. So there's that. I'm only gonna do one because he doesn't eat everything. I don't want to take him his snacks. And then I'll also have a bag of salt and vinegar. So here's my cappuccino or latte macchiato per the Nespresso machine, and my little gingerbread light from Cracker Barrel. But she's looking beautiful, frothy, foamy. My cup, and here are my tuna sandwiches and my chips. So I will enjoy this meal.
I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say